Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Using with Goldy. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to tell you the website you can go ahead and apply for a cruise ship job. Wait, I have already made this video. This is the video. The link is in the description box. You can click on that link and apply for a cruise ship job. But the link which I have shared, this is mostly website and the agencies in India which recruit for cruise ship and cruise ship jobs. Now the website which I'm going to tell you, they mostly recruit for a company called Viking Cruises, Windstar Cruises and their sister concern companies. And it is absolutely free of charge. You can register yourself free of charge. You can apply for a cruise ship job free of charge. You will not pay any kind of a money. And many of my friends got selected through this website. So I thought sharing this website with you so you can also get benefit. So I would request you watch this video till the end, because in this video I have showed how to open the website, how to register yourself, how to apply for a cruise ship job and wait for their reply. So everything is covered. So all I request you to watch this video till the end, and please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and families so they can also apply for a cruise ship job. Alright, so I don't want to waste more time and I want to begin with this video. So what I say, let's start this video. Well guys, let's open the Google app and you need to type your Windstar Cruise Career. You can see this website over here. Just need to click on that and it will take you to this page. Now you can see, you can scroll down. You need to click on Career at Sea. Okay, so this page will open. So it will ask you engine department, hotel offices, gift shops, entertainment position, scam alert and all the other stuff like one spa and all. So scam alert is very important, please read it. And after that you click on which department you want to try. Let's try gift shop because I was working in a gift shop. Wait, page will upload. And later on what you need to do is, once the page will open, you need to click on register self, up right corner, and click on register. So once you click on register, you need to register yourself before applying. So you need to fill up all your details, the same, your name, your number, your email address. They will ask you to put on password. You put your password over here. But guys, put one stage down. COVID vaccination, yes. The current country, India. The current location would be India. Your nationality would be India. And you need to upload your documents. Upload your CV. That's it. And click on this two tick and click over there. And wait for that, and your profile has been created. Isn't it simple? It's very simple, believe me. It's no rocket science or something. Now I will tell you how to apply for a job. So just come out of that, click on Google again, winstarcruises.com. remember, click on cruise career, this one, career at sea, click on that. Now you remember the gift shop here. Once you have clicked here, now important guys, you can see select the industry, cruise, and select the role. So you need to select multiple. You can select multiple roles also, and you can select one role also. So like that. So whichever is according to your experience, you can select that role and click on find job. Isn't it simple? So they will search which all positions are empty. So description will be there. Retail manager, you can just read it out. Is it very similar what you are doing? So apply for it. Now how to apply is also very simple. You see this here, you need to click on that, the bigger one. You just read it out exactly what you're looking for. The second one, you can just read it out, and then you click the second one, apply. This one, yes, apply now. Once you click, it will load. Wait for a few seconds and you have applied. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.